Rule number 1, your best gear is invisibility. Here's something most survival content gets completely wrong. Everyone talks about having the best tactical backpack, the most high-speed gear, the latest survival gadgets. But here's the truth. In a real crisis, the person with all that expensive, identifiable gear becomes the first target. Think about it this way. You're 3 days into a power outage. Most people haven't prepared at all. Suddenly, you walk through your neighborhood wearing a plate carrier, tactical pants, and a bag covered in molly webbing. What message are you sending? You're broadcasting that you have resources worth taking. The concept here is called the gray man principle. But it goes deeper than just blending in with clothes. It's about understanding that in a survival situation, being unremarkable is a tactical advantage. This means your bug-out bag shouldn't look like a bug-out bag. It should look like a regular backpack someone might take to work or the gym. Back in 2019, I was helping a friend organize his preparedness supplies, and he had everything in military surplus containers with obvious labels. I asked him, if someone breaks into your garage looking for supplies, what are they going to grab first? The containers that scream tactical preparedness or the random cardboard boxes? He got it immediately and spent that weekend reorganizing everything into plain sight but unrecognizable containers. This invisibility principle extends to your vehicle too. Those window decals advertising gun brands, prepper channels, or even hunting affiliations. They're intelligence for people who might be looking for targets. Your car should be so forgettable that nobody remembers seeing it. And this is critical. Invisibility isn't just physical, it's also behavioral. It means not being the person who brags about their prep or posts photos of their stockpile on social media. Every piece of information you share is information someone else can use against you. The best preppers I know, you'd never guess they prep at all. They drive average cars, wear normal clothes, and keep their mouths shut. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2.